A report by official Chinese media on Wednesday unveiled two new types of anti-drone laser weapons. A developer said such laser weapon systems, supported by intelligent targeting and multi-sensor integration, demonstrate strong responsiveness and adaptability, while enabling coordinated operations within an integrated combat network. Footage released in the CCTV News report showed how the systems countered low-altitude, slow-flying small drones simulating covert penetration on the battlefield, flying at an altitude of 50 to 80 meters, which is within the blind spot of conventional radar systems. In response to such threats of drone, multiple counter-drone systems were featured. A container lock platform identified as the Guangjian 11E, or Light Arrow 11E, multi-mode terminal jamming system can rapidly lock onto targets and disrupt their onboard sensing and targeting functions, the report said. The Guangjian 21A, or Light Arrow 21A, system, meanwhile, operates in a shoot-on-the-move mode, allowing it to maintain sustained firepower while reducing exposure to counterattacks, reported CCTV News. In terms of engagement methods, the Guangjian 21A specializes in hard kill capabilities, generating high-density energy beams over several kilometers to penetrate drone structures and destroy internal circuits or propulsion systems within seconds. By contrast, the Guangjian 11E employs a soft kill approach, using pulsed laser energy to precisely disable key components, effectively blinding drones and disrupting their reconnaissance and data transmission functions, reported CCTV News. These complementary soft and hard kill methods address targets at different ranges and threat levels, filling gaps in each other's operational coverage, CCTV News said. Both systems are equipped with phased array radar and infrared detection systems, and can interconnect via both wired and wireless links to enable real-time data sharing and precise target identification and engagement, according to the CCTV News report. The laser systems, as next-generation equipment, feature multi-source detection and intelligent identification, enabling rapid response and adaptive targeting. This genre of anti-drone systems has high accuracy, minimal collateral damage, the advantage of unlimited ammunition, and very low operating costs, making it the lowest-cost anti-drone equipment in a single deployment, Zhang said.